Raven time! What's going on, people? Today you have about 40 minutes in Raven time to play this game, People's Pie. Keeps track of your points. So why don't we look at who has the most points on Tuesday for a little bit of dum-dums. All right, so we'll take the top 3 highest scores from Raven time today and see who gets the reward for the high scores. Remember, you have to balance how happy the people are with getting the appropriate level of funding, so the right amount of money to the different programs. I know it's confusing and it's a little bit complicated, but take your time and you can still work together. Have fun, and the high score, 3 highest scores, win Dum Dums on Tuesday. See you guys. Have fun.